So this is the presentation how this MLM works. So whoever joined to this game need to pay 0.30 Ethereum to buy the first level to join this game. Let's show me the demo. Here you can see the user one already added to this game and he paid already 0.30 Ethereum. This is level 1 price, and he need to add the new people. Let's see. Let's add, this user is adding new people. What will happen? So if he add new people, the new user ID will be 2, and user 1 added this user 2, that means R equal 1, so he is the referral, and this user 2 already paid 0.30 Ethereum. Once he paid this Ethereum, where this money go? This 0.15 money will go to this user 1 because he bring this user already in, and the 0.15, which is the 50% money of the level 1 price, here you can see money will go to number 1 as it is connected directly with this user 1. That's why. Let's move forward and you will understand everything. Okay, so if user 1 add another user, that user ID will be user 3, and user 3 already paid 0.30 Ethereum, and 0.15, which is 50% of 0.3 Ethereum, will go to this user 1 as he bring this user in this game, and the 50% money will go as it is connected. Here you can see this line, the arrow line, this is connected to this one, that's why. Okay, same way he is adding another user, user 4, the both money will go to user 1, the same way. Now if user 2 add new user, what will happen? The new user ID will be 5, so 5 will be placed in his left. This binary search tree is working like left to right, and here it will go the 5 and R equal to, that means 2 user is the introducer of this user 5, and 50% money will go to this user because as the introducer, and rest of the 50% money 0.15 will go to this because it is connected directly. Same way he is adding another user 6, so both money will go to user 2. Now if user 1 add the next user ID will be user 7. So this one, this is the first level, it's already filled up, maximum 3 people possible to add. So user 7 will gonna place here because this is filled up, this is filled up, and one node can add three node, you can see. Okay, it will go here, user 7 and R equal 1, that means user 1 add this user 7. So 50% money will go to user 1 as the introducer, and the 50% money will go to the user who directly connected. Here you can see user 2 is directly connected. That means the 0.15 will go to user 2 and user 1. Now next user is adding by the user 7. User 7 is adding the new user, user 8. So this money will totally go to user 7 as the introducer, R equals 7, and 0.15 to this user 7 because this is connected directly. Now user 1 is adding the next user, Next user ID will be user 9. So here it will be 9, and where it will gonna place the second level, filled up, filled up, filled up. This one not filled up, so it will gonna connect here behind the user 3. So 0.15 money will go, 50% money will go user 3, and the 50% money will go to user 1 if this user 1 bought the second level. Then here you can see money goes like this. If user 3 add the new user, the user ID will be 10, and the money, both money will go to user 3 as an introducer and as it is connected directly with the user 3. The next user 11 added by user 3, you can see. And the same way both money will go to user 3. And the next user, user 12, will gonna add by user 1. So this one, this one, this one, this one already filled up. So it will gonna place here and behind the user 4. Because this second level maximum 9 people possible to add. So user 12, so 50% money go to user 1 and to the user 4 as it is connected directly with the user 4, like this. Now user 4 adding the next user ID 13, and both money will go to user 4 as an introducer and as it is connected directly with the user 4. Same way he's adding number 14, and both money will go to user 4. Now user 2 adding the new user. So next user ID will be 15. His next level 1 already filled up, 5, 6, 7. Now it will gonna search for here. Okay, it is empty right now. So it will gonna place here. So the user 15 here, you can see. This will gonna directly connect with the user 5 as a left side, you can see. So 50% money will go to user 2 as a introducer, 0.15 that is. And the 50% money, 0.15, go to user 5 as it is connected directly with the user 5. You may need to memorize this. User 2 must need to buy his second level to get this 0.15 Ethereum. Let's see about the 16 user. The 16 user is added by user 5. So both money will go to user 5 because as an introducer, user 5 got 0.15 and user 16 connected with this user 5 directly. That's why he got 0.15. Now the user 17 will gonna add by user 1. Where it will gonna place? User 1 level 1, 1, 2, 3 already filled up. Level 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 already filled up. Level user 1 level 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 is empty. So if he add the new user, which is user 17, we're gonna place directly with the user 5 like this because this is empty, and his money 0.30 divided by 2, 0.15 money will go to user 5 as it is connected directly with this user, and the rest of the 50% money 0.15 will go to this user 1 as it is a introducer. Make sure user 1 already bought the third level. otherwise he will not get this 0.15. Anyway, I'm assuming that user 1 already paid level 3, that's why he got this 0.15. Anyway, let's move forward. User 12 adding new user, that user ID is 18, and both money will go to the 12. Same way, 19 added by user 12, both money will go to 12. The same way, user 12 added user 20, both money will go user 12. Now if user 12 add another user, the user ID will be 21. What will happen? This user first level 1, 2, 3 people already filled up. Then it will gonna search for here. Here it is empty, so it will gonna connect with this 18 user. Here you can see. So 50% money will go to user 18 as it is connected with this user directly, and rest of the 50% money will go user 12 because this user bring this user to this game. And make sure this user already bought the second level. Here you can see here second level 1, 2, 3, maximum 9 people user 12 can add in his second level. So the money will go like this. So this is the game, how it works when a referral sharing his link to the new user and new user joining through his referral link, and how he got the money. This is the demo, same demo, just showing what will happen if this user adding new user here, but this user didn't buy the second level. What will happen? So here you can see 0.15 money go to this user 2, but he didn't get the 0.15. This money goes to the system because he didn't buy the second level. That's the reason. Here you can see all level price. Level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0.30 level 1 price, 0.14, 0.22, and 50% of this each level price. Level 1 50% price is 0.15, which is 0.30 divided by 2, which is 0.15. And level 6 price is 6 Ethereum. So 50% of level 6 divided by 2, which is 3 Ethereum. I hope you got it. Anyway, what will happen if user 15 buy all his 6 level? Here I'm saying Ethereum distribution when user 15 buy all levels from user 2, because this user 15 came to this game by this r equal to, that means user 2. User 2 bring this user 15 in this game. So if user 15 join this game, that means he is buying the first level. What happened here? User 15 already bought the level 1, and the level 1 50% money, L1 by 2, that means 0.15 Ethereum goes to user 5 as it is connected directly as a upline, and rest of the 50% money, because R goes to R equal 2, because user 2 bring this user in this game. So L1 by 2, that means 0.15 money goes to user 2. Now if user 15 buy his second level, what will happen? So user 15 already bought the second level. Here you can see second level price 0.14 Ethereum and 50% is 0.07. So 0.07 will go to user 2. L2 by 2, that means 0.07 Ethereum will go to user 2 as the upper upline, and rest of the 50%, which is 0.07, that means L2 by 2 will go to user 2 because this user bring this 15 user in this game. So here you can see whenever user 15 buy any level, all time the money goes to user 2 because this user 2 bring this user 15 in this game. Let's see if user 15 buy level 3, what will happen. Level 3 price 0.22, 50% is 0.11. So 0.11 Ethereum will go to user 1 as a upper upline, and rest of the 50% L3 by 2, that means 0.11 Ethereum will go to user 2. What will happen if user 15 buy next level, which is level 4? Level 4 already bought. The level 4 price 0.70 and the 50% is 0.35. So 0.35 again will go to user 5. Here you can see L4 by 2. That means 0.35 Ethereum will go to user 5. And the rest of the L4 by 2, 0.35 Ethereum will go to user 2. Same way, user 15 buying level 5. Level 5, 50% money, which is 1 Ethereum, will go to user 2. And L5 by 2, 1 Ethereum will go user 2 again, as it is the introducer. If user 15 now buy level 6, what will happen? The 6th level, you can see the price is 3. So 3 Ethereum will go to user 1 as a upper upline, and L6 by 2, that means 3 Ethereum will go to user 2 as the introducer. This is how this money distribution works when each user buy each level. Based on this, let me show again what will happen if user 15 users, here you can see this user can add, or his upline people can add user behind him. So this guy can add maximum 3 people in his first level. So if these 3 people buy level 1, level 2, these 3 people, level 1 is here, next level is the 3. If they buy level 1 and level 4 from this user 15, then user 15 will earn 1.26 Ethereum based on that previous animation or slide. Again, if second level, maximum 9 people possible, if these 9 people buy level 2 and level 5 from user 15, then 9.675 Ethereum he will get. And 27 in the third level, you can see. If these 27 people try to buy level 3, level 6 from this user, user 15 will get 95.145. This scenario is little bit complex, I believe. So this scenario came from this. Here you can see, based on this logic. Based on this logic, if you investigate, you will understand how this works. Anyway, if it complex right now, just ignore because it's not the main thing. Let's continue. This is the main slide, I believe. You know, user 1 already added to this system. So now it's time to user 1 to add new user. This user 1 can add maximum 1092 people. And 1092 people buy all the level from user 1, then he can earn maximum 5000 plus Ethereum. Let's prove it. Here you can see level prices, level 1 price, level 6 price, 6 Ethereum. And all level price, that means level 1 plus level 2, just add all this number here, and it is saying 9.36 Ethereum. And 50% of all level, that means 4.68 Ethereum. So if this user 1 add 3 people in his first level, and these 3 user buy all level from user 1, what will happen? Here you can see 3 times L by 2, that means 4.68 into 3, 3.L by 2. This user 1 will get like this. And now if user 1 add 9 people in his second level, here you can see, and the 9 people buy all the level from him, then all money will go to this user 1 like this, plus 9 times L by 2. Here L equal 4.683 Ethereum. The same way user 1 can add 27, and if 27 user buy all level, then he will get the 50% of 27 like this. So like this way, 3, 9, 26, 27, 81 people buy all level, and the 50% money will go to the user 1. 243, 729 at the last, you can see. So if you calculate this, then you will get 5000 plus Ethereum. Here you can see if this user bring all these 1092 people, then if all his user buy the level from user 1, then he will get 5110 Ethereum. Now let me finalize everything. The game rules. This point very important to show. Here you can see how you convince anyone to join this game. Just tell one thing. Anyone spend this 0.30 Ethereum to join this game will get 0.45 Ethereum back by default. That means if any user join using this 0.30 Ethereum will get 0.45 Ethereum back. Let me prove this one. Here you can see I showed already. User 2 already got 0.15, 0.15, 0.15 from 5, 6, 7 user, as it is connected directly with the user 2. That means if user 2 join this game and he has no ability to bring the new user to this game, that doesn't matter. After spending 0.30 Ethereum, he will get 0.15 plus 0.15 plus 0.15, 0.45 Ethereum back. So it's the profit. This is how you can convince the new user to bring this game. Okay, let me show. Whoever join will get this profit by default. Number 2, whoever bring this new user will get 50% reward. Here in this demo you already see user 1 added this 17 user and got the 0.15 Ethereum, because whoever bring the new user in this game will get the 50% reward. That means 0.30 divided by 2, which is 0.15. But the user must need to buy the next level to get this money. I already showed in this demo, this user didn't buy the second level and he added the new user in his second level and the money he lost, 0.15. The third point is user can add maximum 1092 people and maximum 6 level to buy to add this 1092 people. And if 1092 people buy all the level from him, then he will get 5000 Ethereum in the theory. Here I already showed this demo. User 1 already added all the 1092 people and 1092 people bought all the level from user 1. Then it will possible to achieve this 5000 Ethereum. Let's go to point 4. Here you can see introducer need to buy all level, maximum 6 level. So first level price 0.32 because the platform fee is 0.02, I already added. So one user need to pay 10.73 Ethereum to buy all 6 level to add the 1092 people in this game.